Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So today I have another unboxing video for you guys, and this time I'm going to be unboxing the OnePlus Buds. So I have the gray edition here. There are three color variants. There's the OnePlus Nord color, so that bluish color. There's a gray, which I have right here, and there's a white color. I went ahead and decided to get the gray variant, and let's see what it looks like. So let's go ahead and check out the packaging real quick. So we have some things that explain some of the things on it, and then that's just the back right there. So let's go ahead and read these. Easy to use, sound quality, environmental noise cancellation, 30 hours endurance with warp charge. So I'm guessing this can, with the case, this can go for around 30 hours, and it is able to use warp charge, which is really nice since it is a pretty fast way of charging. So I took off the wrapper before I began so I wouldn't have to deal with it. So let's go ahead and pull this out. So before you check the bottom, there's nothing in the top area. So let's put that to the side. We're greeted with our OnePlus Buds right here. It's in this plastic wrapper. Let's just put that to the side as well and check out what's inside here. So we have a little package here. Just push and then you pull out. And it says enjoy your new buds. It's pretty nice. Some nice OnePlus packaging as always. So we have some manuals here. If you want to read those, you can go ahead and read those. And then we have our iconic, if I can get it out. I can't seem to get it out. Okay, so that's kind of annoying. So if you can see from here, because I can't get it out as of right now, I'll try to again later, but let me just open the bottom area. Push these out. Okay. Finally, I got these out, and as you can see, these are the iconic OnePlus design cables, the red cable with the white accents, and then we have like this little OnePlus logo right there, if you can see that. So let's put those to the side as well, move these out of the way, and let's get to what you guys have been waiting for. The OnePlus Buds. So this right here is the OnePlus Buds. Let's take that wrapper off. And first impressions, feels real nice in the hands. Pretty nice design. I have an average size hand, and it's around the size of my palm, maybe even half. And it's a pretty nice weight, so it's not too heavy. Also, it's made out of plastic, the casing, and also the earbuds. Let's go ahead and check those out real quick. As you can see right there. So these earbuds. So the casing is gray, a lot more gray, and it's a little matte feeling. It has a matte texture to it. However, the buds and the inside portion of it is polished, and it's not a matte finish, and they are a lot more black than gray. So we have a gray case with black earbuds, and then as you can see, there's this red accent on the touch area. So that's pretty nice. These don't have an in-ear design, so these won't make a seal. If you guys know, like Galaxy Buds and some other brands, they have a seal. They have a plastic tips, so it can make a seal in your ear, and it's basically kind of noise canceling, which is good in some ways. And what this is close to would be AirPods. AirPods have this design as well right here, and you can definitely tell that they have been inspired by those all the way down to the earbuds. Case is a little rounder. So we have USB-C charging on the case. If I can manage to focus onto there. Whatever. So we have USB-C charging. We have a button in the back, and the hinge is a different color. It's a lot more black. We have a button in the back, and then if you can see that, it says designed by OnePlus. So overall, this case has a pretty nice feeling. We'll have to test it out for a longer time so I can check out how well the hinge is made and how well the case is overall. We have this LED light basically telling us our battery information about the case, and I guess the buds when you put them in. So overall, so far they're feeling pretty nice. I will have to run some tests with these. Also, let's go ahead and check out wireless charging. Let's see if these have wireless charging. Let me go ahead and get my phone out and turn on wireless power share. If you can see right there. So let's put that down, and let's see if this charges wirelessly. And I'm guessing this doesn't have wireless charging. So that is a con. It doesn't have wireless charging. I tend to charge my Galaxy Buds a lot by using wireless charge because it's convenient and it's easier than just trying to plug in a cable every time and trying to find a cable. So overall, wireless charging is a really nice thing to have. But as I said, these are $79 starting price. So that is a big comparison when comparing it to other brands like Samsung and Apple. So $79 USD. And I also got this on a discount, so I got it for $50. I will leave a link down below, and if the discount is still continuing, you guys will be able to purchase it like that. So that's about it. Those are my initial thoughts on this. I guess my first impressions and the unboxing video for you guys. So I will go ahead and use this for a little while, and then I'll come back to you guys with like a 1 week later video and just give you guys the pros and cons of this device, how, the sound quality, durability wise and whatnot, connection, how well it connects to your device, and if overall these are nice earbuds. So that's about it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.